Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc, and at this time we talk about the AirPods. And this is a common issue that a lot of people have, and that is, how can you stop your AirPods from hanging up calls accidentally? If you have ever experienced this frustrating problem, you can stick around because I'm going to explain a few things and how you can prevent this. Firstly, it's important to know that the controls on your AirPods can vary depending on the model you have. Older AirPod models have different controls compared to the newer ones. However, both types allow for some customization in terms of the features and functions. For example, with the older AirPods like the first and second gen, you actually tap on the outside of the earbuds to control certain functions. On the newer models like the AirPods Pros or a third generation, there's a stem that you click. While the physical action might differ, the concept is the same. You use touch or clicks to manage calls and other features. To start addressing the issue, you need to open up the settings on your device and make sure your AirPods are connected. Once connected, you'll see them listed at the top of your settings menu. Tap on the name of your AirPods to enter the specific settings page for them. Within this settings page, you'll find various options related to call control. This is where you can make adjustments to how you manage phone calls with your AirPods. Unfortunately, you can't completely disable the call controls, but you can make it less likely to hang up calls accidentally. One key adjustment you can make is how you end calls. While you don't have options for accepting the calls, you can only tap once to accept. You do have some flexibility in how you end them. The best approach is to set the ending of the call to require a double click. This change means that it's much more difficult to hang up a call by accident, as it requires more deliberate action. So by making these adjustments, you can significantly reduce the chances of accidentally ending your calls with your AirPods. While it might take a bit of the time to get used to the new settings, it will ultimately make your call experience much smoother and less frustrating. So that's going to be about it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the future.